Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe. New content comes out every Monday. I'm Lauren Kidd. I am a business and success coach for the busy mompreneur. I teach moms how to start, run, and scale their online businesses while being present in their kids' lives. No, that doesn't mean you have to be chained to your desk all the time. No, it doesn't mean that you're going to lose your sanity. No, it doesn't mean that you have to give up one thing for another. You can do it all, and I'm here to teach you how. So stay tuned. Again, don't forget to hit subscribe, and let's jump into today's topic. So I was talking with one of my clients, and we were talking about just all the things that have changed in her business over the last 2 years since we started working together. And she is just so fabulous. I love this client. She runs a healthy, crunchy wellness business. She's just fabulous. And we were talking about different things that she has started to do consistently and daily that have just made such a huge impact on her business. And these are things that I've helped her implement. So I wanted to share them with you. It's not a secret. I want you all to succeed. This is huge. These are huge things, and they don't take a whole lot of time. You truly do not need a whole lot of time to run your mompreneur business. My client works about 10, maybe 12 hours a week total on her business, and she's well on her way to her first six figures. I'm so excited. So here are 10 daily business habits to get into right now. Okay, so number 1, start fresh every day. Doesn't matter what happened yesterday, doesn't matter what happened last night, doesn't matter what the husband did or the kids did or the wife did or whatever. It doesn't matter if the dog pooed all over the house. It doesn't matter how many piles of laundry are there. Start fresh every day. Give yourself grace to just breathe, let it go, and start with a clean slate. Yesterday's gone. The things that happened yesterday are gone. Start each day with a fresh mindset. It's the number one thing. Your mindset has to be, I'm going to do this today. I'm going to succeed today. I'm going to get that client today. I'm going to have a really awesome strategy call, sales call, discovery call. I'm going to book a client today. It's going to be amazing. Today is going to be amazing. Start every day, fresh slate. That's the number one business habit. Start with a fresh slate, because as a mom, you're stressed out. Things are driving you crazy. If you let everything roll over into the next day, you're never going to catch up. So give yourself grace. What is it? Bless and release and start fresh every day. Number 2, provide value daily. You will hear a lot of this on my channel. Content is key to a successful business. High value, great content is what is going to bring a cold client in and become a forever client. Become a forever customer. They're going to get in that little car with you and drive all the way until you've retired from your business, okay? So provide value daily. It doesn't mean that you have to be strapped to your computer. It doesn't mean that you have to be sitting here listening for every little ding, every little response doesn't need a thing. It just means that you need to show up every day in some capacity, even if that means scheduling out content. That's okay. But then you're blocking off 10 to 20 minutes a day where you jump in, you reply to every comment. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. Reply to comments, answer questions, check your email super quick. Keep your audience motivated. Keep them intrigued. Keep them wanting more. Solving problems, giving them high value. You're not going to get this buy me, sign up now if you're only showing up every once in a while. So provide value daily to your audience. Again, that might mean a scheduled out post, might mean a live training, might be a new YouTube, it might be a new blog, whatever it is. Make sure that there's something for your audience to consume every single day. Habit number 3, keep a master to-do list. This can be a, here I'll show you, just some content that I've mapped out. This is my content to-do list. This is my master content to-do list for the entire year. It's a couple pages long. It's huge. And then I go through and I break it up by quarter, and then I check in with my audience to make sure that it's something that they still want to hear. And then I come on here and I share. Keep a master to-do list. Keeping a master to-do list is going to be really handy, because when you're done your daily to-do list or your weekly to-do list or your monthly to-do list, you can check back in with what really needed to get done, whether that's a revamp of your website or a revamp of your social media channels, or maybe you wanted to do a rebrand of your color, whatever it is. It's going to free up a ton of time for you sitting there having to remember what it is that you needed to do. So tip number 3, keep a master to-do list. Number 4, thank your customers. You're a small business. Even if you're a 6-7 figure earner, you're still, relying on people to come in and share. This isn't Nike. You're not just having a big store revolving people. Every sale means something. Your audience is made of customers who love your products. They love using your products. They love referring your products. They love you. They want to feel appreciated too. So make sure that you are thanking your customers, whether you do it in the form of a live video, whether that you're individually thanking them, sending them private messages, sending them thank you cards in their handmade service. I have a client who she makes handmade things, and with each of her special deliveries, she sends a little thank you card. It is the sweetest thing ever. Literally costs pennies to send, and it just means huge things for her audience. And people keep coming back because she goes that extra step. So thank your customers. Tip number 4. Number 5, collect email addresses. Because this is as important as your content. You need to be able to grow your email list. If Facebook went away tomorrow, if Instagram went away tomorrow, if Pinterest went away tomorrow, if YouTube went away tomorrow, could you still run your business? Do you still have a way to make that connection with your audience, with your customers? You need an email list. If you are not already building an email list, you're just like, I have no idea where to start. I'm going to drop some links below. ConvertKit is my absolute favorite for growing a list. It's simple. It's easy to use, mass amounts of kudos to them for the simplicity. I'm not a techie person, so this was super simple for me to use. If you're not a techie person or you just don't have a whole lot of time to set things up, this is going to be perfect for you. You need to be growing your email list. That is habit number 5. Number 6, now that you have an email list, send out a newsletter. This can be, depending on your business, once a month, every other week, every single week, twice a week. I don't really recommend sending an email more than twice a week to your email list. I know some people who send them every day. I know some people who send them every other day. If they're in a sequence, it's a little different. Not something I'm going to get into today, but it can be overwhelming. It can be overwhelming for your audience unless it's something that they absolutely need from you. So judge your audience. Figure out what it is that they want or how much they want to hear from you, and then go from there. So number 6. Send out a newsletter. Number 7, use social media to engage your audience. You heard me. Use social media to your advantage. Social media is one of the biggest blessings for your business. It can also be a big curse. Check out my other YouTube on why you can't rely solely on social media for your business. For those who are confused, I will drop that link below as well. But people are scrolling haphazardly through Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest, and boom, they stumble upon your page. Make sure that what it is that you're sharing is engaging and inviting and exciting, that makes them stop their scroll. Again, content. Don't know where to start with content? Check it out below. Number 8, listen to your audience. This is so important. You cannot get on social media, you cannot get on a video, and you cannot just stand up on your podium and share willy-nilly. Hey, what's your favorite ice cream? What kind of dog do you have? What's your biggest hang-up? What's your, favorite toenail color? No, you have to be sharing things that they want to hear. So listen to what it is that they want. Ask them what it is they want. If you don't know what it is they want, send out a poll, send out an email, do a live video and be like, hey gang, let's hang out and talk. Ask them what they want and then provide what it is that they want. Whether it's tips, tricks, trainings, give it to them, so that they are engaged and ready to buy now. Tip number 9, read personal development. Yes, I got serious. You must read. You must learn. You must grow. And books are a super quick and easy way to do this. They're inexpensive. You can get them on all of your devices. Kindle, Hello, everywhere. Super easy. Read 5-10 minutes a day. I'm not saying you have to sit down and read a novel every day. Just take the time to actively grow your business through personal development, which leads me to the 10th business habit: always learn. Okay? Never, ever, ever, ever stop learning. I promise you don't know everything. You are not the best of the best of the best of the best. There is somebody who is 10 steps ahead of you. Just like you are perfect for your client because your client is 10 steps behind you. There is somebody perfect for you to teach you so that you can learn from who's 10 steps ahead of you. Okay? Always learn. Always learn. Always learn. Always learn. Whether it's through books. Books are cheap. Courses, also relatively inexpensive. Trainings, masterclasses, workshops, group programming, courses, one-on-one coaching, seminars, whatever it is. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. Know that it is going to come back tenfold. Know that you are going to make back whatever it is you invest, whether it's you're investing in $10 in a book, or whether you're investing $30 in a course, or $50 in a course, or whether you're investing, I don't know, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 in a program or a coaching or in a seminar that you're going to go to. Know that it's going to make you that much better in your business. Always learn. Okay? Guys, those are the 10 daily business habits you should get into in order to scale your business, in order to grow your business. It doesn't have to take a lot of time. It can be super sweet, super quick, super easy. All in all, it should take maybe 2 hours, and you don't even have to do it consistently throughout the day. It doesn't have to be like, nah, you have to do it consistently. That's not the word I'm looking for. What I mean is you don't have to sit down in like a 2-3 hour window and do it all. You can break it up. I mean, your 20 minutes of social media engagement can happen, I don't know, while the kids are having independent time, or 10 minutes while they're watching their favorite cartoon. Or you can check your email super quick while you're making lunch, or right as soon as you've served the kids. Or maybe you take, an hour to do personal development and learn, go through a course, or respond to your coach, or plan to go to a seminar after the kids go to bed. Whatever it is, it doesn't have to take a whole lot of time. Like I said, the client that this is based off of, that I really wanted to share with you guys, she works about 10 to 12 hours a week, and that's it. Again, she's well on her way to 6 figures, and you can be too. Start being consistent, show up, create these daily habits for yourself, and I promise you, you are going to succeed beyond your wildest dreams. It's going to be amazing. I will see you guys next Monday. Again, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm so glad that you guys are here. And if you have any questions or want something specific discussed, drop it in the comments below. Bye, guys.